The Honda GB350 and its sportier sibling, the GB350S, represent a masterful fusion of classic motorcycle aesthetics with the reliability and modern engineering expected from Honda. Launched as the NES CB350 in India and later introduced to other markets as the GB350 and GB350S, these motorcycles tap into a burgeoning demand for retro-styled bikes that offer an accessible, enjoyable, and characterful riding experience without the complexities or high price tags of larger, more technologically advanced machines. They are a direct response to the global success of other retro-inspired single-cylinder motorcycles, particularly from brands like Royal Enfield, with Honda aiming to carve out its own niche by leveraging its reputation for quality, refinement, and user-friendliness. The GB350 and GB350S are more than just transport, they're an invitation to a relaxed, engaging, and stylish form of motorcycling. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a motorcycle that's been turning heads lately, the Honda GB350. This modern classic is a blend of retro styling and modern technology, and it's quickly gaining popularity among riders of all levels. The GB350's design is a clear nod to classic motorcycles from the 1960s and 70s. Its lines are clean and simple, with a round headlight, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and a low-slung seat. The overall effect is one of timeless elegance. Powering the GB350 is a 348 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder engine that produces a smooth and linear power delivery. It's not the most powerful engine in its class, but it's more than enough for everyday riding and cruising. The engine is also fuel efficient, which is a big plus. The GB350 is a comfortable and easy-to-ride motorcycle. Its suspension is tuned for a smooth ride, and the handling is predictable and stable. The bike is also relatively light, making it easy to maneuver in traffic. The GB350 comes with a number of features that make it a practical and enjoyable motorcycle to own. These include a digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential information, a comfortable seat that's suitable for long rides, a halogen headlight and LED taillight, a single-channel ABS system for added safety. The Honda GB350 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and practicality. It's a perfect choice for riders who are looking for a stylish and reliable motorcycle that's easy to live with. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Honda GB350. The 2025 Honda GB350S emerges as a compelling blend of retro charm and contemporary performance, solidifying its position as a modern classic in the making. Building upon the foundation laid by the GB350, the S variant injects a dose of sportier character, appealing to riders who appreciate classic aesthetics but crave a more dynamic riding experience. This motorcycle isn't just a nostalgic nod to the past, it's a thoughtfully engineered machine designed for today's roads and riders, offering a balanced package of style, performance, and practicality. The GB350S's design language is a masterclass in retro-modern fusion. It borrows heavily from the timeless appeal of classic British motorcycles, particularly those from the golden era of cafe racers and scramblers. The teardrop fuel tank, the round headlight, the flat seat, and the pea-shooter exhaust all contribute to this vintage aesthetic. However, Honda hasn't simply replicated the past. Modern touches, such as the LED lighting, the digital instrument panel, and the refined fit and finish, bring the design firmly into the 21st century. The GB350S is powered by a 348 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is designed for smooth and tractable power delivery, making it ideal for both city riding and open-road cruising. While outright horsepower isn't the primary focus, the engine offers ample torque, providing satisfying acceleration and making overtaking effortless. The engine's character is a key part of the GB350S's appeal. It's not a high-revving screamer, but rather a relaxed and enjoyable power plant that delivers a pleasant thrum and a satisfying exhaust note. This makes the bike a joy to ride at any speed, whether you're commuting to work or exploring back roads. Honda's engineering prowess shines through in the engine's refinement. Vibrations are well controlled, and the engine feels smooth and responsive. Fuel efficiency is also a strong point, making the GB350S an economical choice for everyday riding. Despite its classic styling, the GB350S is equipped with modern features that enhance the riding experience. The digital instrument panel provides clear and concise information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip data. LED lighting provides excellent visibility, both day and night. Other notable features may include a slipper clutch, which helps to prevent rear-wheel lockup during downshifts, and dual-channel ABS for enhanced braking safety. These modern touches add a layer of practicality and convenience to the GB350S, making it a truly contemporary motorcycle. The 2025 Honda GB350S is more than just a retro-styled motorcycle. It's a thoughtfully engineered machine that offers a compelling blend of classic charm and contemporary performance. Its smooth engine, balanced handling, comfortable ergonomics, and modern features make it a versatile and enjoyable motorcycle to ride.